Hello my friends, this is Lucy from Float Art with Macrame Elegance. These are our beautiful colors and we are going to do a side bloom. But let me tell you about my colors. We have by Golden, we have Pyrole Orange. By Winsor Newton, we have Permanent Rose. We have by Golden Gold Bright Fine. Pebeo, we have Green Blue, and we have Pebeo Green Yellow. So, let's make a beautiful side bloom. It's been a while since I've done one of these, so hope I'm not too rusty. Now, my pillow paint today is Gladdens Essentials in white. Let's pour some on. I think that's enough. I can always add more later if I need some, but for now. All right. All right, there we go. How's that? Let's get it center. We are not center. Let's see. I think that's about center. Okay, let's start with our Pyrole Orange. Do it about right here. And our Winsor Newton Permanent Rose. Pretty color. I like those two together. And we got some Golden's Gold Bright Fine. That's having a hard time coming out of the bottle. Okay, now we have our Pebeo Green Blue, and I'm going to do it right here. And our Green Yellow by Pebeo. Okay, I didn't get my cell activator, did I? Let me go get it. All right, that might be a little too much. I'm thinking of the blue, but I need to scoot it up this way. All right. My cell activator, I'm using Australian Floetrol with Oxide Black. 3 parts, or 3.5 maybe parts Australian Floetrol to 1 part paint. Amsterdam. All right, here we go. Well, I did get into some pillow paint there, didn't I? Yeah, I'm a little rusty. But let's do this. That makes a big difference, right? I think I'll leave the top like that. but it's a little too thick here. That's better. Well, that's kind of looking like a poppy. I made one earlier. It was kind of darker in color. This one's a little more orange, poppy-ish. All right, are we ready to, let's see. Let's see if I need to pop any bubbles. This one little one came up. And I think we will spin it out. Scoot it over just a little bit so I don't get paint all over me. All right, let's do this slow. And definitely too much of that blue, I think, for my liking. So just kind of fiddle around, because you know what? We can do what we want with our painting, right? That's right. Okay, now I also want to do that. Well, now it's almost gone, but okay, let's spin it. Let's see. I'm gonna add just a little bit green. That's really pretty. Let me scoot it over a little bit though. I'm gonna add just a tiny bit green. A little sloppy down here. More green. Just a little dot like that. Oh, pretty, pretty, pretty. Except for this. Maybe I'll just... Hopefully this will level out. I don't want to lose any of the beautiful blossom. Make sure my sides are covered. Yes, they do look like it. Right here. All right, my friends. That's beautiful colors. I like that. I should do one of these a day in all different colors. What do you think? Think I should do a, maybe in May I'll do a challenge for myself, one a day for a month, different colors. But then I have so many other things I want to do too, so I don't know, we'll see. Anyway, there you go, my friends. Now next time I won't quite use as much blue and I won't have to do so much fussing, but I love this color combination. What do you think? Give me a thumbs up if you like it. Subscribe if you would like to see more. I'm gonna be doing more of these. All right, I will get you down for a close-up. I wish you all of God's blessings, and I'll see you then in the next video.